Should you take your dog or cat to the vet for blood in their urine? If your dog or cat is showing signs of blood in their urine, urinating more frequently than usual, having difficulty urinating, or experiencing other abnormalities in their urinary habits, it is crucial to consult a veterinarian promptly. These symptoms may indicate an underlying health issue that requires professional diagnosis and treatment. Addressing the problem early is vital for ensuring your pet's well-being and preventing potential complications. There are various causes of abnormal urination in pets, including urinary tract infections, UTIs, bladder stones, urethral infections, inflammation of the urinary tract, or other medical conditions. A veterinarian can conduct necessary tests and examinations to identify the root cause and recommend appropriate treatment. Delaying medical intervention can lead to worsening symptoms, putting your pet's overall health at risk. Urinary tract infections in dogs, causes and treatment. UTIs are a common health concern in dogs and can manifest with various symptoms. Here's an overview of the common causes and treatment options for urinary tract infections in dogs. Common causes. 1. Bacterial infections. The most frequent cause of UTIs in dogs is bacterial infection. Common culprits include E. coli, Staphylococcus, and Streptococcus. These bacteria enter the urinary tract and proliferate, causing inflammation and infection. 2. Bladder stones. Stones can form in the bladder or urethra and lead to irritation or blockage, which increases the likelihood of infection. 3. Urethral inflammation or injury. Inflammation or trauma to the urethra can create an environment where infections are more likely to develop. 4. Endocrine disorders. Conditions like diabetes can increase the risk of urinary tract infections by creating favorable conditions for bacterial growth, such as elevated sugar levels in the urine. Treatment approaches. Treatment of UTIs in dogs typically involves addressing the infection and managing its underlying causes. 1. Antibiotics. If the infection is bacterial, a veterinarian will prescribe antibiotics tailored to combat the specific bacteria identified. It is essential to follow the prescribed dosage and duration strictly, even if symptoms improve before the medication is finished. 2. Dietary changes. Depending on the diagnosis, the vet might recommend a specialized diet. Certain diets can dissolve bladder stones or support the urinary tract's overall health. 3. Anti-inflammatory medications. To alleviate inflammation and discomfort, the veterinarian might prescribe anti-inflammatory drugs. These can help reduce pain while the primary infection is being treated. 4. Hydration. Encouraging your dog to drink plenty of water is critical. Adequate hydration flushes bacteria and toxins from the urinary tract, supporting recovery. 5. Hygiene maintenance. Keeping your dog's genital area clean can prevent reinfection. Regularly cleaning this area is particularly important for dogs recovering from a UTI. Why timely treatment matters. Ignoring UTI symptoms in dogs can lead to severe consequences. If left untreated, infections can spread to the kidneys, causing a condition known as pyelonephritis. This can result in permanent kidney damage or even become life-threatening. Early veterinary intervention ensures your dog receives effective treatment, reducing the risk of complications. Blood in urine, what it could mean for cats. Cats showing signs of blood in their urine or unusual urination behavior should also be examined by a veterinarian as soon as possible. These symptoms could indicate various medical conditions, some of which may be life-threatening if left untreated. Common causes of blood in cat urine. 1. Feline lower urinary tract disease, FLUTD. FLUTD is a term that encompasses several urinary tract disorders in cats, including bladder inflammation, cystitis, urinary stones, and urethral blockages. Cats suffering from FLUTD often experience painful urination and may have blood in their urine. 2. Urinary crystals or stones. Crystals or stones in the urinary tract can cause irritation, blockages, and bleeding. Male cats are especially prone to urethral obstructions due to their narrower urethras. 3. Bacterial infections. While bacterial infections are less common in cats than in dogs, they can still occur and cause bloody urine. 4. Stress-induced cystitis. Stress can trigger bladder inflammation in cats, leading to symptoms like bloody urine and frequent urination. Treatment options for cats. 1. Veterinary diagnosis. The vet will likely perform tests such as a urinalysis, blood tests, or imaging, for example, X-rays, ultrasound, to determine the exact cause of the issue. 2. Medications. Depending on the diagnosis, treatment may include antibiotics for bacterial infections, anti-inflammatory drugs for inflammation, or medications to dissolve crystals. 3. Dietary adjustments. Prescription diets designed for urinary health can help dissolve crystals or prevent their formation. These diets are often low in magnesium and phosphorus, which contribute to crystal development. 4. Hydration. Ensuring your cat drinks plenty of water is essential for maintaining urinary health. Wet food can also be beneficial, as it increases water intake. 5. Stress management. For cats with stress-related urinary issues, minimizing stressors and using calming aids or pheromone diffusers can improve their condition. How to monitor and prevent urinary issues in pets? 1. Regular vet checkups. Annual or biannual veterinary visits can help detect health issues before they become serious. 2. Hydration. Always provide fresh, clean water for your pet. Consider using pet fountains to encourage drinking, especially for cats. 3. Proper diet. Feed your pet a balanced diet appropriate for their age, breed, and health condition. If urinary issues have been a concern, consult your vet about specialized diets. 4. Observing behavior. Pay attention to changes in your pet's urination habits, such as frequency, volume, or the presence of blood. Early detection is key to effective treatment. 5. Hygiene and environment. Maintain a clean environment for your pets, including their bedding, litter box, for cats, and areas where they spend time. Final thoughts. Blood in the urine and other urinary problems in pets should never be ignored. Early veterinary consultation can make a significant difference in diagnosing and treating the underlying issue, ensuring your pet lives a healthy and comfortable life. Whether it's a minor infection or a more complex condition like bladder stones or FLUTD, timely intervention is critical. Always prioritize your pet's health by seeking professional advice when abnormalities arise. Additional information on urinary health in pets. Urinary issues in pets, such as blood in the urine, often require careful observation and prompt medical attention. Owners should be aware that while some conditions may resolve with basic treatment, others can be indicative of systemic health problems. For example, chronic urinary tract infections might point to underlying issues like kidney disease, hormonal imbalances, or even cancer in older pets. Certain breeds are more prone to urinary problems than others. For instance, small breed dogs, such as dachshunds and Shih Tzus, are more likely to develop bladder stones. Similarly, male cats have a higher risk of urinary blockages due to their narrower urethras. Recognizing these predispositions can help pet owners stay vigilant. Prevention plays a key role in maintaining your pet's urinary health. Ensuring a high-quality diet, regular exercise, and access to fresh water are simple yet effective strategies. Additionally, stress reduction is vital, especially for cats, as stress-related cystitis is a common issue. If you suspect your pet has urinary problems, avoid trying home remedies without professional guidance. Over-the-counter products or incorrect dosages of medications can worsen the condition. By seeking timely veterinary care and following prescribed treatments, you can ensure your pet stays happy and healthy for years to come.